This instrument here allows us to be able to test different equipment at deep sea pressures. Right now, this pressure vessel is at 3,100 pounds per square inch. So this is equivalent to just over 2,000 meters of seawater depth. Normally, this pressure vessel is used to keep deep sea animals alive for doing experiments at sea. But what we're using it for here is to simulate the deep ocean for testing equipment. So right now, there is a pump that we built in the lab here that we are testing for deployment later using a remotely operated vehicle. And the reason that this is important is that, first of all, it ensures that when we get to sea and we're on a ship and we're on an ROV, that all of our equipment works as we expect it to at depth. But secondly, the safety question is that when we deploy these things, we want to make sure that they don't burst or implode when they get under deep sea pressure, because that could pose a hazard to personnel in the case of a human-occupied vehicle, or a hazard to the equipment in the case of a robot submarine. We want to test it in a controlled environment to simulate the deep ocean to make sure that we're not going to have any unexpected problems. And so we've got electronic pass-throughs so that we can run our equipment under these conditions, and we can also vary the pressure that it's exposed to simulate diving down or coming back up to the surface.